So today's a really special day because I know I've been hitting for it for a couple videos now, but we finally wrapped the car. I've kept it kind of low key. In the last video, you saw me kind of walking in and out of my car. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. So today we're out here in gloomy, beautiful Julian, California to shoot the clips of the car, because if you saw the title, you know that I finally wrapped the F10. I know I've been talking about it in a few videos and I've been hinting towards it, and I kind of kept it a little low key, but I want to show you guys what we're working with here. Just a heads up, it isn't quite what you expect, but I hope you enjoy it anyways. Let's check it out. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. I decided to go with a Christmas themed, gift wrap style wrap. Nah, I'm just kidding. Obviously this is real gift wrap. Let me actually show you guys real quick. I mean, this poor thing has not survived the trip up here. All this rainy weather and the water that's gotten on it has caused it to kind of deteriorate. In fact, you'll have probably seen clips. I'll probably throw them in before this right here, but I did have a roof on here, but it eventually started to come loose with the rain and stuff coming up here. But anyways, I know, kind of not what you expected, a little bit clickbaity, but there was purpose in me doing this and making this video. First and foremost, I figured kind of a fun way to just close out the end of the year. You know, it's the holidays. I've always kind of joked around about doing this with one of my cars, and I figured, why not? You know, I have the YouTube channel, why not film it, get some cool clips rolling up the mountain, and show it to you guys. But most importantly, now seeing the car wrapped just in a different color than the black that it was, it's like really motivating to kind of get myself going on actually really wrapping the car. So I know this is not really what you expected, and I know, again, it's kind of clickbaity, but I hope you bear with me, and I hope you enjoyed the process and seeing it like this, because legitimately wrapping the car is coming soon, I promise you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna take a couple more clips, hopefully you know, some cool b-roll and stuff of it driving before I eventually take this wrap off. But obviously not a very long video today, nothing super fancy. I just wanted to kind of close out the video and also tell you guys that I really appreciate everybody who's liked and subscribed and commented, the frequent commenters and everything like that, because I started this channel back in September with, as kind of like a goal. It was like a long goal of mine to start a YouTube channel and film and document a car build, and so far the response has been awesome, the feedback has been great, and I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. And so even though today was kind of a hoax and it was kind of not legitimate and it was kind of, like I said, clickbaity, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy how the car looks. I spent a lot of time putting this thing together, and ultimately, you guys, I just hope you get a kick out of it, and I hope you stick with me into 2023. I have a lot of big things planned, a lot of cool content in the works, and I just want to say I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.